Alright, so first you're going to want to locate your spark plug. In this case on the Murray mower, it's located on the front under the hood. Next you're going to grab a socket wrench, and there are a couple different sizes of spark plugs, so in my case I've already got mine loosened here, but you're just going to put that on there, loosen out the spark plug, and then you can twist it out by hand. So here you can see the old spark plug. Now let's do a little test to see if this actually works or if we need to replace it. So to test on a riding mower, you're going to want your key in the ignition. You're going to want to put the boot back on the back of your spark plug, and then you're going to want to turn the key, and let's see if it sparks. So you could see there was no spark, so we're going to go ahead and replace this. So to replace it, you're going to need a tool to gap your spark plug, and then you're going to need the plug itself. So you should be able to just look this up online, the correct gap for your plug. In my case, it's going to be 0.03. So we're going to take this, we're going to slide it on the smallest part, and then we're just going to slide it up until we meet resistance. So here we can see mine was 0.03. Actually, I think it's 0.031. So in this case, it looks like we're right on the money. But once again, to test, you just put it in the smallest part, slide up until you can't slide it any further. If you need to make an adjustment to it, you can kind of stick it in here and pry it open if you need to, or to push it closed more, you just push it on the back and push it closed. So now we're just going to put this back into the same spot that we got our old one. And this says on the instructions we just want a 1/16 turn after it's hand tight. So we're just going to do a little bit of a turn, nothing too crazy, and then go ahead and stick your boot back on there. Alright, let's fire it up and make sure that this works, but I think we should be good to go. Now, if you're still running into issues, one thing to keep in mind would be seat safety switch. That could be a potential issue, or any other type of kill switch. Those could all be potential problems to look out for.